Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bethany and this is my fiance Tim. He was on the channel for Vlogmas back in December, but today we thought it would be fun to play a game together or answer some questions. So we originally got this game called The Perfect Match back at Valentine's Day, and we saved it because we thought it'd be a good video idea and then didn't get around to it until now. But yeah, so we're just going to answer some of these questions and we hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so what we're going to do is I will ask the question and then he will have to answer for me and then I will answer what I think he would answer. So, does that work? Mm-hmm. Who usually gets their own way? Me or you or pretty equal?
You.
I would say me. He spoils me. What drink am I most likely to order at the bar?
Lemon drop. Well,
hold on, there's options. A bottle of beer, a glass of wine, a shot of something hard, or a fruity cocktail.
Fruity cocktail.
At a bar?
Yes, at a bar.
At a bar.
I guess an Angry Orchard.
Yes.
But you also.
If I'm at a sit-down restaurant, a cocktail. There's no point when you're at a bar getting a cocktail because you're standing up, you're talking, you're walking outside. At a bar, a beer is much easier. I would say for you a cocktail. Because he's allergic to almost every alcohol and he hates beer. So, very allergic to beer. What do I spend most of my money on? Traveling, makeup, clothes, restaurants and bars, something else, and if so, what?
Makeup.
Yes, and you spend... really house stuff.
Yeah.
But it's not like...
house or car stuff.
It's not typical house stuff. It's, oh, I found a cool contraption that we should use, like an auto-closed door or something like that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So, do I prefer tea or coffee?
You're going to answer on the count of three for both of us. 1,
2, 3, coffee. We are not tea people.
Not at all.
Who has the most control over the TV remote? You, me, or it's equal?
You, because I'm too lazy to deal with it, so I give it to you.
We only watch TV shows when we're together, so we just watch the same series, so there's no... Yeah. It's equal. It's just like who's going to click next for the next episode. Okay, so this next one is the perfect question. What's my favorite kind of takeout?
Pizza.
Pizza, Chinese, Indian, or fried chicken?
Pizza. What's your favorite food in the entire world? Pizza.
Okay, and then yours would either be pizza, or there's a food that he likes to get that I always turn him down to every time he brings it up, and it's plaka.
It's delicious. It's like Greek, kind of.
Didn't you bring it to me once, as like you had leftovers?
Yeah.
I thought it was boring.
Oh.
But then again, I eat pizza all the time, so I'm pretty boring too. Okay, what one thing could I not live without if I were stranded on a desert island? My phone, my hair products, a 6-pack of beer, or something else, and if so, what?
Well, I know my answer. I don't know your answer.
Yours would be me.
Mm-hmm. Or Gus, but probably you.
Yeah, I was gonna say you or Carly.
Wow. Not even the cat. Cat doesn't even get a mention. Not even an honorable mention. Carly
is one of my nieces. She's a creative 3-year-old, so I'm sure she would help me find a way out. What's my favorite flavor of ice cream? A, vanilla, B, chocolate, C, cookie dough, D, something else, and if so, what? And before you say something... Well, actually, you look like you didn't know what you were about to say.
No, I do. Before I say something, what?
Mine is weird. I think we've talked about this before. Maybe, I think it was on camera during Vlogmas, but mine is weird.
Well, I was going to say, of those options, so you like vanilla Frosties because she's weird. And I've never met anyone that prefers vanilla Frosties to chocolate Frosties, up for her. So you like that, but you love cookie dough, but more of like in the sundae form than ice cream. I would say just straight ice cream. Your favorite ice cream is cotton candy.
Yes.
But of the other 3 options, I would say cookie dough, probably.
Yeah. And yours is mint chip. Or not.
No, mine's chocolate with cookie dough, I think.
The one that we got like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
So that's a new answer. Before that. You told me it was mint chip before.
That was yummy. It wasn't even it was like coffee and chocolate with...
Yeah, we got one
chunk.
last week. What was it called?
I don't know.
I think it was double
by
chocolate
Turkey
chunk
Hill.
or something.
Yeah, dipper chunk or something.
It was coffee, chocolate, and chocolate cookie dough. Or my only complaint was there wasn't enough cookie dough in it.
Yeah.
Because the purpose of buying that type of ice cream is for the cookie dough. And I swear to God, we probably only had like 5 or 10 of those in the entire ice cream container. Yeah. Who's the more adventurous one? Me or you?
You.
I am the one who wants to go on to trips more often, but I feel like once we're there ready to do something, my anxiety kicks in a little bit.
Yeah. But
I do like traveling, be like, okay, let's go here, let's make plans. I want to visit this place and this place. Like, I'm the one with like a bucket list of more places to visit, I think. Okay, what was the first animal that I had as a pet? A dog, a cat, a fish, something else, and if so, what?
You, a cat.
Me, myself.
Yeah, a cat.
No.
Well, the fish, but...
No.
I mean, no.
No.
Felicity.
No.
And did you have a fish before that? A
No.
hermit crab.
Yes, I had a hermit crab, but that's not my
Teddy?
first pet. No.
What?
In 2nd grade or 4th grade, I had a hamster named Houdini who lived for 2 years. And its name was
Houdini.
Yes, and its name was Houdini because it always escaped from its cage and would run underneath the kitchen sink, so it disappeared like the magician. I literally told you about.
Escape.
No, I told you last week. This is funny because I literally told him last week that I had a yellow nightgown that had Disney princesses on it, and my hamster peed on me when I was holding it. I literally told you that last
No
week.
recollection of that conversation. Alright, what was my first
A
pet?
dog.
Which one?
Not Chancellor. That was a family dog. So guess.
Well, what other pet did I have that was mine before?
Great. Bearded dragon.
Mm-hmm.
I was right.
Yeah, what was her name?
I have no idea.
Tiger Lily?
You can't even remember.
Yeah, it took me a second. My mom named it, I think, named after like a lily pad or something.
But it's a flower.
Lily pad.
A tiger lily. It's an orange
Yeah.
flower.
Isn't it like a lily pad?
No,
Oh,
I don't think so.
same
Who's better in a time of crisis?
thing. Me.
Yes. What is my favorite pizza topping?
Cheese. Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Yeah, but I mean, like cheese. You like cheese a lot too.
Yeah, but like what you put on it. Yours is a meat lovers.
Mm-hmm.
Or pepperoni? Pepperoni and bacon
Meatster.
or sausage?
Specifically the meatster from Pizza Bullies.
Alright, what would I say is my best personality trait? A sense of humor, creativity, generosity, something else, and if so, what?
Creativity.
Oh, I wouldn't say that.
I would.
I'm freaking hilarious.
Oh, you are? She likes to think so.
Yeah, but maybe. I don't know.
But
I would say... I know what yours is, but I don't think you would say this about yourself. I would say your generosity. But... yeah, I'm going to stick with the generosity. I don't know if you would say it about yourself, but you are a generous person.
I wouldn't phrase it that way. And I don't think in the same way that you mean, but yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
Okay. What are we most likely to argue about? Money, where to eat out, who is right, something else, and if so...
Who is right?
Ding ding. If I could have any superpower, what would it be? Being able to fly, x-ray vision, mind reading, something else, and if so, what?
I got no clue. What would mine be?
I don't know.
Teleportation.
That's what I was about to say. Dang it. Then I can go to Europe.
Yeah. It would just There's a lot of cool stuff you can do out there, but why fly when you can teleport? Or, why be able to see through buildings when you can just teleport into one?
Yeah, that's true. Do you know my star sign?
You are a Scorpio.
Yeah.
And I am
a Virgo.
Which I only know because of you.
Who's the tidiest? Tim. I'm a little bit messy. What are my favorite animals? Cats, horses, dolphins, elephants, something else, and if so, what?
Well, mine. Mine's easy.
Dogs.
Yours... Well, I would say your cat specifically, but not cats in general.
I like cats.
Your favorite animal?
They're not my favorite.
Well, dogs aren't.
I also love dogs. You make me sound like a bad person.
No, but I'm trying to think of what your favorite is.
Come on. You know what? I promise.
Hamster? Guinea pig?
I promise you know.
Give me a hint.
I have one that's a stuffed animal that you gave me.
A dinosaur?
The other one you gave me at the same time.
The micro pigs.
Pigs.
No, the little baby ones.
Pigs.
Yeah.
What type of movie do I most like to watch? Something funny, something action-packed, something with lots of gore, or something else, and if so, what?
I'd say funny or romantic.
You like funny movies.
Yeah.
I like romantic movies. Pride and Prejudice, Dirty Dancing. Those are my types of movies.
Yeah.
Also, we're getting married, so I've been watching a lot of wedding movies. Lots of rom-coms.
Of wedding movies.
Okay, change this though to TV shows now.
Quirky crime.
I was gonna say we're both crime. We watched Bones. We're watching Sleepy Hollow right now.
But we both kind of like something quirky about the show, not just like your normal like crime. Like we don't watch like Law and Order or anything like that. That's just kind of like normal crime. We like the kind of more interesting twist on them.
Yeah, we don't like the law side too much. We like the medical side, I think, more to it too.
Or the weird, like Sleepy Hollow is not medical. It's just weird.
Well, that's history, and I'm a history nerd too. So
she's a nerd.
I am.
Big nerd. Art.
Oh,
history.
Here's it is. What's my favorite? This is the next card. What's my favorite subject at school? Art, English, science, or something else? And if so, what?
I'd say art and history.
Yeah.
Probably history.
It wasn't history wasn't my favorite subject until college, where I got to choose the type of history classes that I could take. I learned about the Civil War, and not just the Civil War, but the Civil War and how it's portrayed in film and literature. And then I also took history of Western civilizations and their art. So
one of my least favorite classes on the entire planet.
My absolute favorite class. So my favorite time period is 30,000 BC to 1200 AD.
Least favorite time period.
My least favorite for that specific category would be 1200 AD to present. I just don't like modern art as much. I like older art. But yeah. Do I prefer sweet or savory?
Both.
I like sweet better than savory. You like savory better than sweet. Who's more obsessed with social media, me or you?
You. The one that's posting on YouTube.
That's true. Would I prefer to master a foreign language or a musical instrument?
Foreign language. Already
Foreign
been there,
language.
done that. Mastered many musical instruments.
Both foreign language then?
Mm-hmm.
If there's a spider in the room, who's more likely to deal with it?
Don't know what you're talking about.
I hate spiders.
Not as much
He
as
hates
I
them
do.
more. What do I do if I want to get out of trouble? Do I cry, lie, shout, something else, and if so, what?
Cry or
How? When do I get into trouble?
Mm-hmm.
Never.
Yeah, but you can use your little crying technique.
Okay, so if I want something out of you.
If you want something, you cry. Yeah,
But I don't get into trouble.
Mm-hmm.
Am I an early bird or a night owl? What time are we filming this? It's 8 p.m. right now, so.
Yeah. You're not an early bird. You're more like a
Early afternoon?
No, I was
Just
gonna
kidding.
say you're like an early sloth and like a night. I don't know.
So I'm a night owl.
I'm a night owl. We both used to work night shift.
We both. That's when we met. We were both working night shift. What's my least favorite food? Seafood, olives, Brussels sprouts, or something else?
Well,
we both don't like mushrooms.
Yes, mushrooms. We both don't like raw seafood.
Yeah. You
don't like undercooked, and by undercooked I mean normally cooked steak. You like well done steak.
Medium well.
Well done. That's what I like. I like medium rare to rare. You like well.
Who was the first to say I love you?
Well.
You.
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 She.
Ooh, blurry. Focus. So who was the first to say I love you?
You.
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 You. Mine doesn't count.
Uh-huh.
So, you know when... It's like not something you think about saying. Like my family is a family that says love you every time like someone leaves the house or we have a phone call. We always say love you bye. Always. So we were dating and I hopped in my car and it's like, all right, bye, I love you. And I was like, didn't mean that. But then we said it the next weekend anyway,
yeah.
So. Whoops. What would my dream job be? A movie star, a dolphin trainer, secret agent, or something else? And if so, what?
Stay-at-home blogger person.
Well, that's what I would like to do. And that's not... I mean, yes, that's what I would like to do. What?
Oh, well. I forgot that I was answering. I was waiting for you to answer. Okay, take two.
No, tell me what it would be.
Take two.
No, tell me. It's okay.
Underwater basket weaver.
No.
YouTube and blogging stuff and running your own design / decor company.
Yeah.
What would my dream job be?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. It's what do I want to do, like in the future or like in retirement?
Stay-at-home dad.
No.
Sorry.
No. Something that I want us to do together.
Oh! He wants to own a food truck.
Or a restaurant.
Or a restaurant.
Yeah, but we were thinking realistically probably start with a food truck.
Yes. Do you know when our anniversary is? And if so, when?
January 30th.
Mm-hmm. What's the first thing I would buy if I won the lottery? A new house, a new car, a brand new wardrobe, or a ticket around the world?
Probably build a house.
Yeah.
No, that'd be too sensible. I don't know what you do, but we should build a house.
We would get a house.
Yeah.
We're about to rent one, but we wish we could be buying, so. Okay. So we answered a majority of the questions in the stack. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully we're not too boring and maybe you found something interesting. If you did, hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave me a comment down below. And I'll try to get Tim into some more videos. I'm also going to put my blog link in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Anything you want to say?
No.
Okay. All right, bye.